In this video, we listed the 13 best mini PC for cosplay on Amazon that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Product 1. Product name, B95 Mini PC. The B95 Mini PC is a compact and versatile desktop computer designed for both home and office use. Powered by the Intel 12th Gen N95 processor, with a clock speed of up to 3.4 GHz, this device provides a solid performance for everyday computing tasks, light multitasking, and entertainment. Pre-installed with Windows 11 Pro, the B95 Mini PC ensures a modern and intuitive user experience. Key features: high-performance hardware. Processor, Intel 12th Gen N95, efficient and reliable for various applications. Memory, equipped with 16 GB RAM, enabling smooth multitasking and handling of intensive applications. Storage, a fast 512 GB M.2 SSD ensures quick boot times and ample space for files and software. Exceptional display support. The Mini PC supports 4K UHD resolution, providing vibrant visuals for media consumption and presentations. Dual HDMI ports and a Type-C port allow multi-monitor setups, enhancing productivity and usability. Connectivity options: Dual Wi-Fi 5 for fast and stable wireless internet connectivity. Bluetooth 5.0 for seamless connection with peripherals like keyboards, mice, and audio devices. Compact and versatile design. The small form factor makes it ideal for setups with limited space, such as workstations, entertainment centers, or portable computing needs. Its efficient thermal management ensures stable performance without overheating. Product 2. Product name Ryzen P for Lite Gaming Mini PC. The P for Lite Gaming Mini PC Ryzen is a compact yet powerful solution designed for gamers and multitaskers seeking high performance in a small form factor. Equipped with the AMD Ryzen 7 5700U processor, this mini PC features 8 cores and 16 threads, providing exceptional multitasking capabilities and sufficient power for light to moderate gaming, productivity tasks, and media consumption. Key features: memory and storage. With 32 GB RAM and a 1 TB SSD, the system offers ample memory and storage for gaming libraries, demanding applications, and fast boot times. Graphics and display. Capable of supporting triple 4K displays at 60 Hz via dual HDMI, DisplayPort, and Type-C connections, this mini PC is suitable for immersive gaming and multitasking setups. Gaming and emulation. It supports PS3 emulation, making it a great choice for retro and modern gaming enthusiasts. Connectivity. Equipped with Wi-Fi 6E and Bluetooth 5.2, it ensures fast wireless connectivity and seamless pairing with peripherals. The inclusion of dual 2.5 GB LAN ports enhances networking capabilities for gamers and professionals requiring high-speed data transfer. Operating system. Pre-installed with Windows 11 Pro, it provides the latest features and security updates from Microsoft. Product 3. Product name KOMRUI GK3Plus Mini PC. The KOMRUI GK3Plus Mini PC is a compact yet powerful computing solution designed for versatility and efficiency in both home and business environments. Powered by the 12th Gen Alder Lake N95 processor, with speeds of up to 3.4 GHz, this mini PC offers robust performance for multitasking and demanding applications. Equipped with 16 GB of RAM and a fast 512 GB M.2 SSD, it ensures smooth operation and quick data access. The inclusion of a 2.5-inch SSD slot provides users with the option to expand storage, catering to growing needs. The KOMRUI GK3Plus supports 4K UHD video output, making it ideal for multimedia, streaming, and creative tasks. Its Gigabit Ethernet, Wi-Fi, and Bluetooth connectivity options ensure seamless integration into any network or workspace. With Windows 11 Pro pre-installed, users benefit from advanced features and security tailored for professional and personal use. This mini PC also includes a VESA mount, allowing it to be discreetly installed behind monitors or desks to save space. Its compact form factor makes it a practical solution for tight setups, offering flexibility for various applications such as office tasks, media centers, or lightweight gaming. The KOMRUI GK3Plus balances performance, portability, and affordability, making it a competitive choice for modern computing needs. Product 4. Product name GK3 Mini PC N100. The GK3 Mini PC N100 is a compact, powerful desktop computer designed for office and business use, offering excellent performance and advanced connectivity options. Powered by the Intel Alder Lake N100 processor with speeds up to 3.4 GHz, this mini PC provides reliable multitasking and efficient processing for everyday tasks. It comes pre-installed with Windows 11 Pro, ensuring a user-friendly experience with the latest productivity and security features. Key specifications include 8GB DDR4 RAM and a 256GB PCIe M.2 SSD, delivering fast read, write speeds and ample storage for documents, applications, and media. The GK3 Mini PC N100 is also well suited for multimedia, thanks to its support for 4K dual display output via HDMI, which enhances productivity and entertainment options. The device's connectivity features are top-notch, with USB 3.2 ports, Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.2, and a 2.5G RJ45 Ethernet port, providing seamless wired and wireless networking. Its small form factor makes it an excellent choice for those who need a space-saving, energy-efficient desktop solution for office setups, remote work, or light business applications. Product 5. Product name KOMRUI AK1PLUS Mini PC. The KOMRUI AK1PLUS Mini PC is a compact and versatile computing solution designed for a variety of environments, including business, office, and home server applications. Featuring the latest Windows 11 operating system and powered by the 12th Gen Intel N95 processor, with speeds up to 3.4 GHz, this mini desktop computer delivers efficient performance for everyday tasks such as web browsing, document editing, and light multitasking. Key features. Memory and storage. Comes with 8GB DDR4 RAM and a 256GB SSD, providing a balance of speed and storage capacity to handle essential applications and files. Display support, capable of 4K resolution output, making it suitable for high-quality visuals in entertainment or professional presentations. Connectivity, includes Wi-Fi and Bluetooth support, ensuring seamless wireless communication with peripherals and networks. Compact design, its space-saving design allows it to be integrated easily into any setup, making it ideal for use in confined spaces. Product 6. Product name beelink Mini PC SER5 Pro 5800H. The beelink Mini PC SER5 Pro 5800H is a compact and high-performance computing device designed for home and office use. Powered by the AMD Ryzen 7 5800H processor, with a clock speed of up to 4.4 GHz, it provides robust multitasking and processing capabilities suitable for demanding applications. Equipped with 16GB DDR4 RAM and a 1TB M.2 PCIe 3.0 SSD, the SER5 Pro offers fast storage access and smooth operation, ensuring that tasks like video editing, 3D rendering, and software development run efficiently. This mini PC supports 4K triple display output, making it ideal for users who require a multi-monitor setup for productivity, media consumption, or gaming. Connectivity is seamless with advanced features like Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.2, and a 1000 megabits per second LAN port, providing fast and stable network connections. Product 7. Product name ASUS Vista V1 N97 Mini PC. The ASUS Vista V1 N97 Mini PC is a compact yet powerful computing solution designed for both home and office environments. Equipped with a 12th Gen Intel N97 processor, up to 3.6 GHz, it outperforms similar models like the N100 and N95, offering a balance of efficiency and performance for everyday tasks. This mini PC comes with 16GB DDR4 RAM and a spacious 512GB SSD, providing ample memory and storage for multitasking and storing files. Key features include 4K dual display support, making it ideal for users needing extended or high-resolution screens, whether for productivity, streaming, or entertainment. The device also supports Wi-Fi connectivity and comes with a VESA mount, allowing flexible placement options, such as attaching it to the back of a monitor to save space. Pre-installed with Windows 11 Pro, the Vista V1 ensures a modern and user-friendly operating system, ready out of the box for professional or personal use. Its small form factor and energy-efficient design make it an excellent choice for users seeking a reliable, space-saving desktop alternative. Product 8. Product name AK1 Mini PC AK1 PRO. The AK1 Mini PC AK1 PRO is a compact and versatile desktop computer designed for users who need powerful performance in a small form factor. Equipped with an Intel Celeron N5105 CPU, a 4-core processor, this mini PC ensures efficient multitasking and smooth operation for everyday computing tasks. It comes with 12 GB of RAM and a 256 GB SSD, providing ample memory and storage for general productivity, multimedia, and web browsing. This mini desktop is also capable of supporting an additional 2.5-inch SSD, allowing users to expand storage effortlessly. The AK1 PRO supports 4K video output, making it ideal for home theaters, media centers, HTPC, or use in a dual-monitor office setup. Connectivity is a strong suit, featuring dual-band 2.4G per 5.0G Wi-Fi for fast and stable wireless networking and gigabit Ethernet for reliable wired connections. The compact design of the AK1 Mini PC makes it a space-saving solution that can be conveniently mounted behind monitors or placed on desks. Its balance of performance and practicality makes it suitable for home, office, or educational environments. Product 9. Product name AK1 Dual LAN Mini PC. The AK1 Dual LAN Mini PC is a compact yet powerful mini desktop computer that is well suited for both personal and professional applications. Featuring an AMD Ryzen 7 5800U processor, this mini PC boasts 8 cores and 16 threads, with clock speeds of up to 4.4 GHz, delivering exceptional performance for multitasking, gaming, and content creation. Equipped with 32 GB of DDR4 RAM and a 512 GB SSD, it offers fast data access and ample storage capacity. The device also supports 4K triple display output, making it ideal for multitasking across multiple screens or creating immersive visual setups. In addition to its performance specs, the AK1 Mini PC supports Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth, ensuring robust wireless connectivity for modern peripherals and networks. The inclusion of dual LAN ports further enhances its appeal for users requiring advanced networking options, such as home server setups or secure business use. Product 10. Product name AK1 Pro Mini PC. The AK1 Pro Mini PC is a compact and fanless mini desktop computer designed for everyday use, offering reliable performance for home, office, and light entertainment purposes. Powered by an Intel N4000 processor with speeds up to 2.6 GHz, it ensures smooth multitasking and efficient operation for basic computing tasks. Equipped with 8 GB LPDDR4 RAM and 128 GB eMMC storage, the device is well suited for web browsing, office applications, media streaming, and educational use. Key features include fanless design. Its silent operation makes it ideal for environments that require minimal noise, such as home offices or bedrooms. Connectivity options. Supports Wi-Fi 5, 2.4 GHz per 5 GHz, for stable internet connectivity. Bluetooth 4.2 for easy pairing with peripherals like keyboards, mice, or speakers. Multiple display outputs via HDMI and VGA ports, supporting 4K HD video output for crisp visuals on compatible monitors. Portability. Its compact and lightweight design allows it to be easily integrated into various setups or used as a portable computing solution. Product 11. Product name GK3 Mini PC. The GK3 Mini PC G5 Micro desktop computer is a compact and powerful device designed for business, school, and office use. It comes pre-installed with Windows 11 Pro, offering a streamlined and efficient operating system for productivity and multitasking. Powered by the 12th Gen Intel Alder Lake N97 processor, which can reach speeds of up to 3.60 GHz. This mini PC delivers robust performance for everyday computing tasks. With 12 GB of DDR5 RAM and a 256 GB hard drive, the GK3 Mini PC provides ample storage and smooth multitasking capabilities, making it suitable for a range of applications in professional environments. The device's compact form factor is perfect for those seeking a space-saving solution without compromising on performance. Available in a sleek sky blue color, the GK3 Mini PC combines functionality with modern aesthetics, making it an ideal choice for users who require efficiency and reliability in a small package. Product 12. Product name GK3 Lite Mini PC. The GK3 Lite Mini PC is a compact and powerful desktop solution ideal for both home and business use. Powered by the Intel 12th Gen older AK1 processor, it offers impressive performance with clock speeds up to 3.4 GHz. This mini PC comes equipped with 8 GB of DDR4 RAM and a 256 GB PCIe M.2 SSD, ensuring fast boot times and smooth multitasking. Its small form factor doesn't compromise on connectivity, featuring support for 4K dual display via HDMI 2.0, Wi-Fi 5, Bluetooth 5.1, and Gigabit Ethernet. The GK3 Lite is an excellent choice for users seeking a space-saving yet capable desktop for everyday computing, media streaming, and office tasks. Product 13. Product name GK3 AX7 Pro Mini PC. The GK3 AX7 Pro Mini PC is a high-performance, compact desktop solution designed for users who require powerful computing capabilities in a small form factor. Powered by the AMD Ryzen R9-7940HS processor, which features 8 cores and 16 threads, this mini PC is capable of achieving speeds of up to 5.2 GHz, making it suitable for demanding tasks such as gaming, content creation, and productivity. With 32 GB of DDR5 RAM operating at 5600 MHz, the AX7 Pro delivers smooth multitasking and rapid data processing. The inclusion of a 2 TB PCIe Gen 4 SSD provides ample storage with impressive read and write speeds, ensuring quick access to files and applications. Additionally, the Mini PC comes pre-installed with Windows 11 Pro, offering a modern and secure operating system for business and personal use. Graphics are powered by the integrated AMD Radeon 780M GPU, capable of handling casual gaming and multimedia applications. Connectivity options include Wi-Fi 6E, Bluetooth 5.2, and 2.5G LAN, ensuring fast, reliable internet connections. The compact design of the GK3 AX7 Pro makes it an ideal choice for users looking for a powerful yet space-efficient desktop for home offices, professional environments, or entertainment centers.